In this video, you'll learn how to download the Eligibility Responder. So I have to sign in order to download a product. A previous movie tells you how to register for download. Please check the link in the description if necessary. Windows or the browser automatically fills this in. I sign in and I come here, automatically to the download products. And as I said, I want to use the Eligibility Responder. I click on Downloads. It comes in two flavors, 32-bit, which is an old version and we will soon discontinue this, and 64-bit, which all state-of-the-art Windows since Windows 7. 64-bit mode, it's fast and has better memory handling capabilities. It's just the way to go nowadays. So I download the product, and the download is initiated. Okay, the download is finished and I click on Open File. So I open this file in Windows Explorer and I see now there are two files in it, a setup file and products itself. Please click first on the setup file. It will make sure that Windows have all the prerequisites. There are some C++ libraries that need to be there for the products to function. And so this is what this setup is basically doing. Double-click it and let's see what happens. Checks the operating system. What's missing? Visual C++ plus 2000. Runtime library is missing. Yes, we want to install it. I agree for everyone. Next, launch HIPAA. So now, the program is installed. And you're ready to start your trial. We have 15 days in the initial download. We can extend it to whatever time you need to make a proof of concept. So you'll get a good idea that this would be a success before you pay. And this is now the responder. In the next video, I will go in deeper about its capabilities and how to use it. Thank you for watching.